Hey guys, today I'm showing you this Yaliby Splatter Ball Gel Blaster. And you see this is like 30,000 beads. So each packet have a 10,000 beads gel that you can swell in the water before using it. And these are all the parts. That comes a battery, rechargeable battery, charger, and the gun. On and off switch, the trigger. This is the battery compartment. Safety goggle and a manual. So function is pretty straightforward that I will explain you, and then you can use. So for the beads to be used, you need to put it in the water. This is the charger that you have to charge the battery in full before using it. So I will just put in this USB and then get it charged. So the USB turn red when it's not charged and then off when it's fully charged. And then you can just put this battery inside this pocket, attach it carefully, and then put the battery inside and put the cover. So the gun is ready to start and it's playing well. I am putting this cannon shot like it is just to collect the beads in it, and you just put the top bottle with the beads inside it. This is a safety goggles that comes with it so that you can wear it while shooting or while playing so that it will not hurt your eyes. So all the accessories are given in this gun toy. So these beads, now I will just put it in the water to show you how it swells. So this is the beads after I put it in the water for 2-3 hours, and then it swell well. These are non-toxic beads. I am just putting it into the bottle. It's really fluffy, non-toxic gel balls, but with the speed it comes really fast. So be careful while playing with these gel beads. Do not shoot on someone. So once this is filled, and I'm just going to put it on the top of the gun. So now I'm just shooting it outside and showing you how this will go in the slow motion so you can see the speed and the beats. It's pretty fun, but you should be careful with it.